Although we commonly consider the animal kingdom as of greater importance, it is well to remember that plants are the ultimate source of food for all forms of animal life. Like animals, plants need proper food and sufficient air and water in order to live and thrive. Here we shall see the life story of a typical plant condensed into a few minutes. Beauty is the principal appeal of flowers. Beauty of color, beauty of form, beauty of fragrance. It is the forerunner of the seed, and it is by means of seeds that the flowering plants reproduce themselves. The seed of the pea plant germinates or starts to grow by sending a root downward into the soil and a stem upward into the air. With the time speeded up, we shall see the main or primary root branching and developing root hairs near the tips. The roots have two uses, namely to anchor and support the plant and to absorb water and other food from the soil. The latter is accomplished mainly by the root hairs. The stem pushes up through the soil in an arched or bent over position, thus protecting its first young leaves. The stem supports the leaves which need air and sunlight for their work. Oxygen, the air, is used in breathing. Carbon dioxide is used in making smoke. Not being very rigid depends upon its tendrils for support. The leaves are the breathing organs and also the food factories. The tendrils twine about the string and thus support the stem of the plant. In the picture, see them respond to the stimulus produced by the string. The tendrils seem to seek a support, and in this apparent search, they seem to avoid each other. After fertilization has occurred, the flower withers and the pods grow to accommodate the developing seeds within. The pod continues to develop until the seeds are ripe. The remains of the withered flower may be seen at the outer end. The germination of this seed on top of a rock shows the lack of suitable conditions. The proper requirements are sufficient moisture, but not too much, sufficient warmth, but not too much, and reasonably pulverized soil, but not too much. Here we see the young plant die on account of improper conditions. In this picture, we have examined the life story of the plants and have followed it from one generation to the next. What we have seen here, you yourselves may reproduce by actually growing these plants in a window box or garden.